The detail of my material MM02 enter. This is the material and in the quality management view, inspection type 01 is activated. And these are the default settings which are maintained for it. QM in procurement is active where the control key is selected as supplier is released. Okay. If I'm buying this material from two different vendors, then for one vendor, I want to use a different inspection plan, and for another vendor, I want to use a different inspection plan. Let me show you the quality info record also, which is required for the vendor. QI02 entered. Material is this, supplier is this, plant is this, press enter key. Okay, no record exists. Let me create this quality info record against this combination for this material, and I can keep the release date as say this. I can keep it say here 01, continue and save it. Vendor 8601 quality info record already exists. Okay, so it is giving me that it is already exists. Let me go to the change mode of this. So the release date is kept as this, and here 01 inspection type is selected with the source inspection no GR. Okay, let me save this and I will show you the plan also for it. QP02 enter. Material is 141, plant is 1710, enter. So multiple plans exist. Under the usage 5, because I will be using it for the good receipt inspection, if I am doing it for the procurement, then the usage will be 5, and there are two plans which exist with the usage 5, and the group counter is 2, and here the group counter is 3. Okay, so let's see if I want to use for one vendor this plan to be linked, and for another vendor the next plan to be linked. We can go to the header level data, or here in the material assignment, here we also get the field for the vendor, for the supplier. And if I want to use my plan, say second plan with a group counter, this is a group counter. Let's take 8601. Vendor should pick this plan with the group counter 2. Okay, and for 3 group counter, I'm not specifying, I'm just telling that if I'm buying a material from this vendor, then out of the other plans, only this should be allowed to pick. Group counter 2 for 8601, I have selected continue. And let's see the detail for this. We have 3 MICs, okay, with the sampling procedure. Let's save it. And if I try to create a log for it, then /n ME21N enter. Vendor I'm selecting first time this, okay, for which we have specified that specific plan should be picked. Material is this, quantity I can enter plant and storage location, press enter key. All are warnings, so I can just save it. Once you save it, the purchase order number is created, and this is the number which is created. Okay, let me copy this number and create one more purchase order, and this time I am using the vendor 8602. Another plan should be picked for that. If I am using that same material and the plant. Okay, so press enter key and then save it. Now we can do the MIGO for it. /n MIGO enter. My purchase order number is this. Press enter key. Select item. Okay. Okay, check it once. So batch is created, that's okay, and then post it. I have specified that if I am using a vendor 8601, then specific plan should be paid. Let me do the Migo for another one also, which is 2. Enter. We will see the details for which plan is getting linked for both of the lot. Post it. And let's go to QA32 report. You can enter the filter for 01, my material 141. Click on execute. So these two lots are created, both are in the release date. Let's see the detail for this lot. Here the supplier is 8601. The plan should be linked with this is group counter 2. If we see the details here in this case, there are 3 MICs. Okay, let me go back. And if we check the detail for the second lot, the inspection lot, here the vendor is 8602. Okay, and in the inspection specification, the group counter 3 is picked, not 2, automatically picked, and here only one MIC is assigned to it. In the header level information for the material assignment, we have specified that if the vendor is 8601, then the plan should be picked as 2. And in other cases, if the good receipt is there with the usage of 5, then the group counter 3 should be picked. 3 is picked as the supplier is 8602. Okay. Let me go back and we can do the result recording. Here, let me enter some value. Okay. And save it. I can do the result recording for this also. Let me enter the value. Let's enter 3, lock it, select all, and then lock it, save it. Even I think I have to lock this also. We click on lock, save it, and refresh it. So both are inspected, select both and do the usage decision for both. So this is how you can create multiple plan as per the vendor specific if you want, and then assign that relevant plan to the lot. Moving the stock to the unrestricted sale. Refresh it, it is removed.